Well, welcome again to another day in the life here at Rent. Let's hop into the bar and see what's going on. Right, so down at the paint shop with Valley, who's flattened back this rather lovely orange 2.7 RS Evocation. This came in red, so we've had a colour change. We've also done a lot of steel work on this car, so customers are going to be up at the end of the week. We just got a new bonnet for it, which we're just prepping as well. So actually all body work, paint work will all be done by the end of the week, so customer will be very pleased with this. I think it's come up stunning, and I do like an orange 911. So no prizes for guessing where I am today. I'm up at the paint shop and with Marek, and we've got this rather lovely 2.7 RS Evocation in front of us, which has just been totally, well, it's been through the steel shop, all completed, handed over to Marek and the team, and the customer wanted it changed from red to blood orange. Absolutely stunning. We do like an orange car at Rin, but this is absolutely stunning under the lights here and all polished up. So it's just being fitted up to be taken back to the customer. But too good opportunity to miss up, to have a chat with Marek. And you know, Marek, when we get these in from the steel shop, can you just talk us through from sort of start to finish, you know, your prep all the way through to the finished product like this?
Yeah. So on this occasion, we stripped the car to bare metal and bare fiberglass parts, because bumpers and boot lid are fiberglass. Then obviously we epoxy prime to secure it, protect it from rust, anti-corrosion coating. Then we start doing some filler work if needed. Obviously these cars are now aged a bit, so
not completely straight.
Yes, had the knocks and bumps over the years. So yeah, we rectify all this. Then we spray fill them, polyester spray fill them. That's for final body contouring, to make sure there's no ripples, nothing in the panels, and the gaps are nice and neat. On this occasion also we had to replace the bonnet because it was fiberglass and it just couldn't stand any more repairing. So we decided to put a brand new steel bonnet on, and it paid at the end because it looks beautiful. So yeah, after final body contouring, we obviously assembling the whole car, checking the gaps, checking the lines if everything's nice and neat. If we're happy with it, then we putting isolator on, which is another epoxy primer, to sort of separate the polyesters fillers from primers. It stops sinkaging and shrinking in the future. So the nice finish lasts longer. Then we acrylic prime it, prep it, sanding, a lot of sanding, and then at the end it gets into the spray booth and we applying final coating. So this is base coat, and over that there is a clear coat. So yeah, it looks beautiful. And after that there's a couple of days of polishing and making sure it looks like a glass, because this is what customer expects, obviously.
Yeah, it's absolutely amazing, and I know we don't need to blow our own trumpets up here, because every car we turn out looks like this, and it's absolutely stunning. But for those of you at home, if you've missed it, we actually are doing any paintwork now on any customers' Porsches. So it's not just the build cars that we do. So if you need paint done on your Porsche, give us a call, and Marek and the team will look after you. So there's something really nice about turbos, early turbos, and we've had this car in for a while now, having some work done to it. It's just been purchased from its previous owner. He's decided to have a complete paint refresh on here and an engine build. So Joe's already got the engine out of this car, it's in the workshop, and we're going to see how Joe's getting on. But as we go in, I did say I like turbos. If you remember, we've been doing this light green 79 turbo for a while. So engine's in now on this one. Wheels have all been refurbished, and the interior is going back in. So Sam will show you on the video, but we've had all the interior reconalised, and the back seats are in. The original carpet we've had cleaned. This is, back in the day, this was called teddy bear carpet because of the fluffy nature of the carpet, and reconalised, as you can see here, in its original green. So I said it before, but this is a stunning car, and it's now coming together really nicely. So a few weeks away from done. Road trip this afternoon. Paul's Cayman is going on display up at Porsche High Wycombe next week, but we're taking it up to the workshop. The guys are going to just give it a diagnostic check over for us ahead of it going on display, because then it'll be going straight out to race when it gets back. Right, so here we are, Porsche Centre High Wycombe. So car's here, so we're just going to get it on the diags and get it all checked out with the guys on. That's it for another day in the life this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you soon.